Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ahmad and we will continue our lessons in vocabulary. In today's book, I'm going to use the Cambridge English vocabulary in use pre and intermediate level students. So I got the original one copy, but I also have a digital copy as well. So let's study. Lesson Unit 37. It's about making a career. Yani kariyera da qilish mavzusida. Getting a job, yani ishga joylashish. So when I left school, I applied for jobs. Yani o'qilishga ham e'tibor bering, shunaqa pronunciation yaxshi o'qishga harakat qilishimiz kerak. Mana bu yerda tekshirib olsa ham bo'ladi, xohlasak. I applied for a job, ya'ni kasblarga demak topshirdim deyapti. After sending out a lot of CVs and interviews and company employed me. Ya'ni ishga olish degani employed, as you can see definition mana bu yerda giving you a job, right? Sizga employed qilsa demak ish bergan bo'ladi. CV it's all the education, ya'ni siz o'sha ta'limlaringiz haqida ma'lumot bo'lgan dokument va tajriba, ish tajribangiz, right? The company gave me some training which was good. Demak kompaniya, ba'zi bir kompaniyalar training beradi. Ya'ni ishga olishdan oldin siz ozgina maslahat berib amaliy o'rgatadi. Chunki baribir universitetda, right, nazariy bo'ladi. Common mistakes. I had some training derkanmiz. Demak a training deyilmas ekan because it's uncountable. Yoki you go on a training course or do a training course. Ya'ni o'sha aytganda period of time, right? Formation yoki stage deyilmas ekan. Promotion degani ya'ni bir ishda yuksalish, ya'ni yanada yaxshiroq lavozimga yoki pozitsiyaga chiqish. I worked hard and soon I was promoted. Ya'ni promote fe'l varianti bu. Ya'ni yangi kasbga o'tyapsiz. They also gave me a good pay rise. Ya'ni narx, ya'ni oyligingizni oshirib berganda u pay rise hisoblanadi. It was a really good experience. Ya'ni bu juda ham yaxshi tajriba edi. Aytishyapti. So and when my boss left the company for a few years later, they gave me an important promotion. Ya'ni important promotion degani bu degani o'sha yanada yuqoriroq lavozimga chiqish degani ma'noga. Resignation, right? Let me check the sound. Am I saying it correctly? Tekshirib olamiz bitta. So
C. Resignation.
Resignation. Ya'ni bu yerda o'sha ishni tark etish va officially rasmiy tarzda siz ishni to'xtatishingiz. I was getting bored and decided I want to go abroad. Abroad degani o'sha chet el degani. So I quit my job, right? I was living and resign degan so'zda ham kelar ekan. Quit my job dan ko'ra started looking for jobs and after a couple of months I got a job in London. Demak, next, unemployment, it's actually ishsizlik degani. When people do not have a job. Yana bitta maslahat, men sizga tarjima qilyapman, lekin maslahatim so definition bilan o'rganganingiz yaxshi. After 6 months, I got fed up with the job and I think I was enjoying myself too much to work very hard. Finally, the company sacked me and gave me the sack. After that, I was unemployed for 2 months. Demak, gave me the sack yoki sack degani ishdan haydalish degan ekan. Ya'ni kompaniya ishdan sizni keting deydi. Endi unaqa qo'polroq ma'noda haydalish. I was unemployed, so demak ishsiz bo'lib qoldim. Finally, I got a part-time job. Part-time job, full-time job bu part-time jobda siz kunlik to'liq ishlamaysiz. Qisman o'sha polstavka deydi rus tilida, masalan o'zbek tilida kunni bir yarim qismi ishlaysiz xolos. Full-time to'liq ish kuni ishlaysiz. Masalan, odatda bu 9 dan 5 gacha bo'lishi mumkin. Right? So, I'm also trying to learn to talk to camera. So Claudia didn't have a job. Demak, work deyilmas ekan, didn't have a job derkanmiz, okay? Chunki work ma'nosi boshqa. Success and retirement. Demak, success bu muvaffaqiyat, retirement bu esa o'sha nima edi hozir? No, pensiya naqaga chiqish, hozir esimdan chiqib qoldi. So let me check. What is that retirement? Nima edi? So let me check. So we got mana bu ChatGPT promptdan bor, juda ham foydali qarang. It makes sentences, definition. Da, esimdan mana endi keldi. Nafaqaga chiqish. Right. I got it. Demak, I love the restaurant. I learned how to cook, and 2 years later, I became manager. 3 years after that, I opened my own restaurant, and this one, and it was very successful. I did well. I owned 5 restaurants, and I was the owner of 2 hotels. I believe anyone can succeed if they work hard enough and have a little bit of luck. Last year, age 60, I retired and went back to Italy. But the yangi so'zlar own bo'lishi mumkin kimgadir, ya'ni o'zingizga tegishli narsalarni own deysiz. Masalan, mani o'zimni kitobim, it's my own book, it's my own car, it's my own home, right? Yoki o'sha successful, muvaffaqiyatga erishish yoki muvaffaqiyatga erishmoq, succeed o'qilishi, right? Retired o'sha naqaga chiqmoq, nafaqaga. Endi mana bitta ozgina savollar bor ekan. Men sizlarga hozir bir namuna qilib ko'rsatib beraman. Qanaqa javob bergan bo'lardimman. Okay, men mashqlarni o'zinglar uchun masalan bajarib oshirsanglar bo'ladi bilmaylarni. So over to you, o'zingizga bog'liq deyapti. If you have a job, agar ishlasangiz javob bering bu savolga. Qani, menda ish bor, javob beramiz. Have you been promoted since you started working at your present company? Well, yes and no. I worked hard and soon I was promoted and they gave me also a good pay rise. I was a junior teacher at the beginning and then I got promoted to a position of senior teacher. Although there's no much difference in what we do, it's just the senior teachers have have a say on how the syllabus is designed, how things are taught, and what materials are to be used in classes. Next question, Demek, do you normally get a good pay rise at the end of each year? Well, unfortunately, no. It has been over a year since I have received my last pay rise, and that's obviously a bit sad, but that's kind of a reality, maybe in a lot of workplaces in Uzbekistan. Maybe it's only in my workplace, but I'm good. It's good. I can't complain. Have you been on many training courses since you started? Well, I definitely have been on many training courses at the beginning of my career, like because I had to gain some experience, and obviously it was a really good experience for me to attend all those seminars and workshops. And but in the last 2 years, there were quite few trainings only. Would you like to go on more training courses in the future? Absolutely. I think if it's paid, so if I get paid by my company to be able to attend those courses, and maybe then there's a pay rise down the line if I apply those knowledge into my teaching, I would definitely consider it. Have you ever resigned from a job and been given a sack? Well, I guess I have never been sacked because I usually lived on my terms, and it was sometimes mutual agreement. So I remember I switched jobs, a couple of times, especially early in my career. I was just a, sales assistant because I had no certain skills, and but I was given some training, right? And it was my father actually who gave me my first job, and he employed me, and it was a good experience. Me, trying to understand the value of money and whatnot. So that was good. But then I went on to become translator for about a year, on and off, like although it was not a consistent job, but it was quite successful. I mean, I really loved it. And then I got the job as a teacher in an education center. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you. Demak, ko'rganinglardek, that's the end of the lesson. I hope it was useful. Tarjimalari bilan qanaqa namunalar bilan aytdim. Foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, kommentariyga yozinglar yoki dars qanaqa qilib yanada foydali qilish mumkin bo'lsa fikringlarni bildiringlar. So let me know how can I make this video lessons even more useful and helpful to you guys. See you. Bye bye.